Hi, welcome to Real Books. This is Neeraj Kumar Jain, founder of Real Books. We will be discussing about or having an overview of the document management system in Real Books. So we have made this feature with a lot of thought as to how we can make it very easy for people to just drag and drop their documents. And by looking at the document next to the entry itself, they could be doing their entry. Just like if you were having a physical invoice next to you, you would be looking at the invoice and doing the entry. In the same way, physical, you could have the invoice right next to your screen and you could be doing data entry by looking at the invoice and doing the entry. So how can we do that? I'll show you to you. For example, if you click on the accounts and go to the transactions, the document management feature is enabled by default in all accounts. So the moment you log in, you will be able to get this screen. All you have to do now is take any invoice, drag and drop. Sorry, if you take any invoice and you drag and drop into the box over here, the document gets uploaded into the Realbook servers and it gets displayed over here. And let's say this is my test account, AWS account, and over here I have want to book this, so I will go to the journal entry and I will book my invoice over here. So I will I have to book my expenses, so I will say server expenses. I don't find that ledger, so I can create a new ledger over here. So all I have to do is I have to do alt C, and I can create a new ledger over here. So I'll say server expenses. It will go into direct expenses, indirect expenses, and I can save it. So I can have my expenses coming here, 2045.72, and I will have to pay to Amazon. I don't have my Amazon created, so I'll do a control C, alt C, sorry, and you create the party ledger, Amazon uh, Web Services. You make it a payable to sundry creditor, and you save it. 2045 and do the data entry. That's it, voila. The document has been attached. So now the best part about the system is that you could be referring to this document 2 years, 3 years henceforth. Let's say you have an IT paper coming to you asking you questions about invoices being booked. All you have to do is go to Real Books, go to your ledger report for the invoice that you want to the party, search for the party. Let's say you write server expenses. You want to show to the income tax people your expenses on servers. You can click on search over here and you can see the documents that have been attached. It will always remain on the server. You can attach as many documents as you want. It's completely free of charge. Everything is backed up. Everything is digital. Everything is on the screen for you. So you can even do data entry from here and see the data entry, the document here itself. You can, so what another advantage you would have by having this feature is if your junior guys are doing a data entry and you want to review your books, you can always just if you're traveling, wherever you are, you can look at the document and you can do your data entry. You can do approvals on this. So if imagine if you have your documents uploaded onto the site and you are traveling and you want to approve a bill for payment, so you can have this document shown on your mobile phone or mobile app and you can do an approval from there. And your cashier says, okay sir, you've approved it, so now I'm ready to uh, pay this bill. So all of these, now it opens up new thinking and makes your documents available, which was not possible in a traditional offline system. All this is possible with this document being uploaded. Another advantage of having documents online on board like this is that outsourcing becomes easy. This was a simple drag and drop when you had the documents in front with you. There is another way where documents can be uploaded, that is uploaded via Dropbox. We have very detailed videos available on how to configure Dropbox and upload the documents via Dropbox. But the advantage of uploading documents via Dropbox, you can see document creation, and over here you can upload via Dropbox. The advantage of having Dropbox linked to the system is that, let's say your clients are sitting somewhere in US or UK or in Bombay, or you're doing outsourcing from Gujarat or from in Calcutta. Your client can upload your documents onto the Dropbox account, and the Dropbox account syncs this with RealBooks, and all your documents will come onto your RealBooks servers, and you could be sitting anywhere in the world and do your data entries for your clients sitting from your home. The fantastic work from home feature. So we have two methods of importing documents into RealBooks. One is a direct method where you just drag and drop the documents. It's easy for a person who's managing his own books. Or you could have upload via Dropbox, where you have a big team or you're doing an outsourcing and somebody else is uploading the file and you're doing the data entry. Uploading via Dropbox also opens up a paperless office kind of a scenario where all your documents, instead of moving in your office physically, just moves on the RealBooks via RealBooks screens and servers. We have a document approval feature. We have a document entry feature. All of this is possible with using RealBooks. Now we have detailed videos on how, as I mentioned, how you can use Dropbox uh, for uploading documents. We have fantastic videos on that. Kindly look at those videos. You will get a good idea. Now we have also, if you want to now ever refer to your document that have been uploaded to your physical document, if ever you would want to do that, that is also possible. What we do is, once you've uploaded the document onto the servers, and we can go look at the report. If you look at the report, we go to documents, we search for the documents, and if you click on edit over here, we can give we can mention which file it has gone to. We can mention the index number and save the document. So this digital file can be a mirror of the physical file that we are using and archiving the main documents and storing it somewhere else. So this facility of archiving and mapping your digital file to physical file can be done via the digital file master. So you could create a new file name which is exactly the same as that you have a physical file. You can give a file number, you can save where the file is being stored. You can even mention what kind of documents will be hitting this file. If you have multiple branches or companies, what kind of segments, branches, where is this file located, in which branch, whether the file is still open or closed, are you maintaining an index on the document, and whether this is a document management which are transactional, where data entries there, accounting transactions are there, or these are non-transactional data. For example, you could be having a rent agreement being uploaded into the RealBooks system as well. So by using RealBooks, we make it very easy for you to have all your documents backed up on the cloud. Not just backed up on the cloud, it can get attached to entries in a manner where approvals, reviews, and future references become extremely easy. We have clients who would resist earlier to use this kind of a feature, where they mentioned that their work increases initially, but once they started using the system, they found out it was so easy to refer to those documents again, that now they want that feature to, I mean, if once this document was not getting uploaded, one of the clients, and they were getting they really called us and said, no, this feature is not working, make it work, otherwise our system is not working anymore. So people are now getting used to the system so much that they want to use this, come back and keep using this feature. So we love this feature about RealBooks. I'm sure once you start using this, you will fall in love with this as well. Thank you very much for your time. Signing off. For another video, he'll come back. Thank you very much.